So exciting times lying ahead tonight. We are live here in our studio where we are going to give away this brand new Toyota Hilux worth 1.2 million rand, and our 3 contestants has just arrived. Let's meet them and good luck to everybody. Okay, so it's giveaway day. We are giving away this brand new red Hilux worth 1.2 million rand, courtesy of Betterfy. And with me here is Ben Paulses. Congratulations, he's our first finalist. Ben?
Nervous.
Nervous?
Baie.
Okay, say for my Ben, tell me, how many times did you give it a spin?
200 rand, I don't know how many spins it was. 2 or 3 spins.
Okay, so you got some extra entries from your 200 rand. Well, good luck, all the best, and ja. Okay mense, ons tweede contestant vir die aand, Robbie Rollins. Robbie, van waar is jy?
Welkom van Rustenburg.
En sê vir ons hoeveel keer het jy gespin vir hierdie pragtige Hilux?
Ek het daai wat 400 opsie, ek dink is dit 6 spinne.
Okay.
Dis so 15 entries gekry.
Nou ja, daar sien julle mense, jy betaal en dan kry jy sommer meer entries. Baie sterkte vir jou. Okay, and now last contestant for this night, Okkert, all the way from Cape Town.
Ek sê baie dankie Malcolm, dankie dat ek hier by julle kan wees.
Hoeveel spins het jy gegee vir hierdie Hilux?
Ek het die 810 spin pakket gekoop en met die spins en goed wat tussenin bygekom het, dink ek was al totaal van 21 spins.
Alright. Baie dankie dat jy deelgeneem het en kom ons kyk, as jy die wenner is vanaand, gaan jy hierdie Hilux Kaap toe ry.
Daar's hy, dan sit so môreoggend vroeg op die pad as die son uitkom.
Nou net een sleuteltjie. Kyk, jy kies mense nommer 3. Okay. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. Our winner, Benjamin, you chose box number 3, key number 3.
Yes.
And what have you got to say?
Still nothing, I'm still speechless. Yeah, I'll have to process what's happened just now. But yeah, thanks for my ALB bumper, spotlights. Looks lekker.
Yeah.
It's like it doesn't believe that he.
No.
Yeah, I
you
think
want-
it's still in shock.
He's still adjusting.
Yeah.
Well, guys, there you have it. If you didn't give it a spin, you couldn't give it a win on this Hilux. So with us, the winner, and we'll see who drives away with that Land Cruiser on the 3rd of October. Jack Curry, thank you for helping me present this competition.
Anytime, my brother.
And yeah, thank you for everybody that entered. This is courtesy of Betterfy South Africa. Thank you, Betterfy, and good luck to the people in the next competition.